let's practice one more together, and then we will, you'll have some work to do on the Draw It slides. So it says solve this problem and show your work. Russell works at a gift shop. Each t-shirt costs $15 and each snow globe costs $5. Russell makes a list of costs for buying 0 to 6 t-shirts, and he does the same thing for the snow globes. So whenever you see a question like this, I want you to draw out a table. Now my space is not very big, so I'm only probably going to go up to 4. But I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to make my 3 columns like I did earlier. And I have the number of items here. Then I have t-shirts and snow globes. Okay, so 0, number of items, 1, 2, and then I only have room on my screen for 3, so I'm only going to go up to 3. But let's first fill in our data, and then let's analyze and look at the term. Remember, the term is the pattern going up and down, and then the corresponding term is how it is relating from one item to another. So for 0 t-shirts, how much does it cost? $0. For 0 snow globes, it costs 0. Now let's fill in our t-shirt. It was $15 a t-shirt. So for 1 t-shirt was 15, right? For 2 t-shirts, it's 30. For 3 t-shirts is 45. So what's the term or the pattern for the amount of t-shirts? Well, the first pattern is adding 15. Now let's look at the snow globe. For 1 snow globe is $5. For 2 snow globes is $10. For 3 snow globes is $15. What's the term for this second part? We're adding how many? 5. Okay. So now let's take a look at the relationship between the t-shirts and the snow globes. Well, the first one, it looks like to get from 15 to 5, I'm dividing by 3, right? Because 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Does that work for everything? Is 30 divided by 3 10? Yep. Is 45 divided by 3 15? Yep. So it looks like the corresponding term is dividing by 3.